Hello friends, my name is Ashwani. Today I have came up with a Google Apps Script project. The name of the project is How to Sync Data Between Google Sheet. So this video is part 1 of this project where we will see the functionalities and output of the project. And in the second part of the video we will see the code we have used. So without wasting any time, let's move to the project. Alright, so this is the Google Drive where we have, you can see the main file and three different client files, client file 1, 2 and 3. So in the main file, we have the code and this is the control file. So let's quickly see what's the data we have in these files. So in the main file, in the main sheet here, we have some data with IDs, and in the client file we have put the some random data, like if you can see in the client file 2 and 1 we have some of the data with the IDs. So what do you want to achieve? So we want to achieve, when the program runs, we want the program to move the selected ID to the archive sheet and simultaneously delete those IDs from the client files. So we have selected the ID number 2 and then we will run the program. So in the client file 2 we don't have the ID number 2, and in the client file 1 we don't have that ID number 2. So let's do one thing. So let's select ID number 6 as well. So in the client file 2, in 1 we have 6, but in 2 we don't have 6 and not even the ID number 2. So let's run the program and see what happens. We'll go to the macro. So this is a custom menu we have created, and we'll run the program. So after running the program, so as you can see, the two IDs which we have selected have been deleted from the main sheet, and though these have been moved to the archive sheet. And let's go to the client file 1. So from the client file 1, the selected IDs have been removed, and from the client file 2, since there was no IDs which we have selected, so nothing has happened. So this is the feature and output of this program. Let's see quickly the code behind this project. So we'll go to the extension menu and click on the app script, and this will show up the code which we have written. So this is the code apps. So this is the app script code which we have used. So this was a part 1 where we have seen the output and the functionalities of this project. In the part 2 we will see the code details, how the code is working. So in case you have any questions or queries, please write your comments in the comment section, and I hope you would like this video. In that case, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.